So I think the rain is ending right now. So or I guess this rain is likely getting stronger. Maybe it gets because yeah. Okay. So you know what are we doing now? I think this rain is ending. Light clouds are likely and the clouds are likely getting lighter. Hmm. Something. So I think the clouds are rolling away from our place. Look at those colors. Since it's even not visible, almost not visible. I guess the rain is ending. I guess the rain is ending, or it's either going away. So bye.